The first 10 position in order of merit in art stream in HSSLC Certificate Examination 2022 are: number 1, Ramyang Nilap Chakraborty from Don Bosco College, Tura. Okay. Number 2, Bahun Lang Mauri Oxlium Girls, Shillong. Number 3, Vijay Adhikari Saint Anthony High School, Shillong. Food, there are 2 of them. Hadasam Me Bakar Lingdo Saint Anthony. Dajit Kensai Sungo Little Flower Secondary School, Umolong. Jantia. And 5, Jeremiah Warba from Saint Gabriel High School, Shillong. 6, Iba Pale Shisha Kharkamni Saint Edmunds. 7, Brian Kaspar Lingdo Saint Edmunds. Textbook Kendaj Little Flower Umolong. There are 2 from Umolong. 8, Ricky Redov Myrom Sacred Heart Boys, Shillong. Then Priyangsha Rajak Saint Anthony, okay, Saint Anthony. Sinora Wankar Saint Edmund. Sania Rai Saint Edmund. Sylvester Shadap Saint Paul's School Nongpo, good from Nongpo. And number 10 is Ankita Bose Tura Town High School from Tura. There's many from Saint Edmund. Saint Edmund and way are Lai Sao Sangwon Saint Edmund, Saint Anthony Rukidon way are Arngon po Saint Anthony. Laingon po Saint Anthony, then nakaneka Little Flower High School from Umolong, then Arngut, Shillong, Tura, Shillong, then from Nongpo also and from Umolong. Okay, lagi ni,